There, we are going to take this model, which we've already built in Fusion. I should probably go ahead and open that. Build to. And we're going to make a measured drawing. It will have an isometric view, but the measurements will be on the other components. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go bodies. We're going to right click and we're going to go down to... Nope. That's a great start to a tutorial. I don't even know what I'm doing. File. Drawing. Look at that. From design. I'm going to go ahead and create it in ASME in inches. It has my body selected, so I'm going to say OK. Get excited. It's the excited chair wiggle. Okay, now I'm going to place my base views from which the other components will be built. So I'm going to place, I'm going to put it here. Click. I'm going to go up. I think I have to click again. Click again. I'm going to say OK. Now I want to place an additional view. Drawing views, projected view, section view, detail view, base view. I want other views here. Oh, look, there it was. You just had to click on it. Boom. We'll go isometric, boom, and we'll go, I don't want another isometric. I want a side view. Love it. All right, those 4 views are going to work for me. Let's pull some measurements in. Now, the nice thing is we've built this to size. So the dimension tool is going to basically just tell us about those components. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Selected the dimension tool. I'm going to go edge to edge. And that's 9. That's good. That's that distance here. Let's go up and add this dimension. Where'd it go? Oh, I already had it selected. 5 inches. Love it. What else do I want to add to this top view? Let's zoom to fit here. Fit to the window. Okay, so I've got that. I've got that. Let's go ahead and go over here and go from that edge to that edge, which should be 4, which is correct. There's also an additional detail in this. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 4 out, and I'm going to do it the way it was in our drawing. Not because I have to, but just I like the consistency. So there's the 3.5, and then from here to there is our 0.5, just like it is in the drawing. 3.5 there and 0.5 there. Good. All right, so what else do I want to do? I'm going to need to add these notes on the bottom. I'll go ahead and drop in the information about our circle here. So from the center to the top was 2 inches. From the center to the edge was 2.5 inches. And I'm going to move, click on the 2.5, double click, click. Come on. Click. And I think I can move it back in the middle. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to do that. Put that in the middle, and I'm going to play the same game with this one. 2, you're going to go back in the middle. I am doing battle today. All right. Except it didn't bring my arrows with me. Y'all, I'm deleting that one, starting over. Let's see. That was from center of circle to top edge. And it does not want to put that 2 inside of there. Why not? Let's try the 2 in the middle. Boom. That's so funny. There must be some rule that it's following that it's just a little too small for how that 2 to be there. So I'll put it back the way it was. Center. Dimension tool, center to top edge is 2. Fine, I'm satisfied. And then I want to put the circle's diameter right there. All right, so looking at this side view, I don't think there's any other information that I need besides the information chamfers, but I will just add that as a note like they have on the drawing. So zoom fit, I'm going to consider that one complete. I'm going to go to this one. I already have height information, and we should note that these two views here are aligned. So you can see that dimension is actually the same height. That's why we've laid them out in this way. So the height information from here is also true here, which is great. So what else do I need? I think I need some of the like width information, like how far these are apart from each other. So let's see. From the outer edge to here is 2 inches. So let's go from here to here, call that 2. Let's go from here to here, dimension tool, here to here, call that 1/2 inch. I'm going to put that one inside of it. Let's go from here to here, call that one 4 inches. And I'm going to kind of clean this up a little bit. I'm going to alternate these because they are hard to see here. So click on that. I'm going to move it down here. I like it. And then I'm going to play the same game with this 2 over here. And then we're going to click on it so we can move the 2 inside. Good. And can I move this down? I don't know. I wish I could move this thing downward a little bit. There we go. Good. All right. 2, 4, and that's a 1/2 inch there. And then this is a 1/2 inch here. So that's good. Those are both very readable. And then I think I have thickness information. Yep, right there. So that's good. I don't think I need anything else on that one. So let's move up to this view. And I think the only thing I need to do now is put some information on this and then write a note, and we're done. So let's zoom in a bit. Let's dimension the arc, which has a radius of 0.38, and that is not quite right. So I'm wondering if there's a way for me to do precision. Look at that. That's clean. Let's see, I need a distance from center of circle. Is it going to give it to me? Go from the edge? How about center? There we go. Center out is 1 inch. And then the distance between the centers of this one. Give me the center. You got it. Give me the center. Dimension tool. I'm doing some battle here with this. I don't know if other people have this much trouble with these, but I am struggling. I just want the center. Let me get it before center to center. Okay, did you see how I did that? I had to actually go to the edge, and then it highlighted the center for me to grab. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's a distance of 2. And then what other information do I want? I need to know that the distance up is 1.75, so I'll put it down here. Let me grab this 2, put him inside. That's where I want him. Weird. It's the same issue that the other one was having. I'm going to leave it. All right, and then I need distance from center outward, and that was 1.5. So let's see, I have a radius of the arc. I have the distance between these points. I have the over and the down. I think that's enough information to build that. I like it. All right, so let's zoom out. I need to add a note here. So I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to drop in a text box, and I'm going to say notes. Chamfers are 1 inch by 1 inch typical. and slots on both sides. Good. I'm going to move that note. Can I move that note? Yes, I can. Where do I cut chamfers? I mean, I guess this bottom note position is fine. It might make more sense to put it in here. This is the Build With Us project. This is build 2. It's got my name on it, brought in for me. I like it. Hey, thanks for your patience. That was frustrating doing some battle with those tools, but it all worked out.